Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and in today's video we're going to talk about the all new Honda Elevate Hybrid that is going to be launched in the Indian market by next year, that is 2026. And in today's video we're going to tell you about the specifications, features and other key details of the Honda Elevate Hybrid. So let's quickly begin this video. The Honda Elevate Hybrid launch timeline has been out and it is expected to launch sometime and hit the roads at 2026, the second half of 2026. Along with that, Honda has also revealed that it plans to launch the new electric SUV and the new gen City as well. Now let's talk about the Honda Elevate Hybrid. Now not so long ago we speculated that the hybrid version of the Honda Elevate would be wonderful for the Indian market. Now it has been widely reported that Honda is planning to launch the Elevate by the second half of 2026. Now reports also suggest that the upcoming Honda Elevate Hybrid will be manufactured at the automaker's facility in Rajasthan, and it is also being said that the upcoming Honda Elevate Hybrid will have a separate production line, hitting the automaker's high expectations of the model that's going to be launched in India. In terms of powertrain, the upcoming Honda Elevate EHEV will be powered by the same 1.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder Atkinson cycle engine as the Honda City EHEV. Now together these two electric motors in this hybrid powertrain could develop around 125 bhp of power and 253 Nm of peak torque. In comparison, the outgoing version of the Honda Elevate uses the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine, which produces 121 bhp of power and 145 Nm of peak torque. Moreover, this powertrain in the Honda Elevate returns a fuel efficiency of around 16.92 km per litre when equipped with a CVT gearbox. Now that said, we expect the upcoming Honda Elevate to be slightly less fuel efficient than the Honda City Hybrid due to its less aerodynamic shape and because it has a lot of weight. As such, we expect the Honda Elevate Hybrid mileage to be just over 25 km per litre. Now when we compare that to the Honda City's hybrid version, that delivers around 27.26 km to a litre. When launched, we are expecting the Honda Elevate Hybrid to be priced less than 20 lakh rupees in comparison to the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara Hybrid that starts at rupees 19.20 lakh and also gives a fuel efficiency of 27.97 kilometers to a litre. And it is also worth mentioning that the upcoming Honda Elevate could get an updated ADAS system with more safety features and technology. Now a little bit about the electric SUV that is coming up from Honda. Now unlike the previous speculations, the upcoming Honda SUV will not be based on the Honda Elevate, but it will be a completely new model designed and built for Indian conditions. Now we expect the upcoming electric SUV from Honda to compete against the likes of the Tata Curvv EV, Mahindra BE6, Hyundai Creta Electric and MG ZS EV. Now this upcoming Honda electric SUV is also expected to be launched in the second half of 2026. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share and subscribe to our social media channels. And for such news, please follow Drive Spark, and I will see you in the next video.